Bonjour and good morning from a sunny Romilly sur Seine. I've just left the hotel for the night, Le Marais. It was okay, except for the fact that the Wi-Fi didn't work on my room. It worked everywhere except in my room, and yeah, that's not very handy. So today's ride is going to be around 90k towards Auxerre, due south, and it's going to be a very hot day, 32 degrees. Now it's September 6th, I believe, Monday. Probably for me the hottest day of the year so far, so it's been a crazy summer. And well, I'm looking forward to the ride itself, except for the fact that I always have something like, you know, pain in my wrist or knee or whatever. Now it's my right foot. I believe you say the ball of a foot. I'm now running on platform pedals, and the reason for that is that I could not get used to the SPD pedals in time. When I got my SPD pedals, I only used them for, I mean, a week or two. But even with some adjustments, I had so many problems with my, particularly my right knee, that I didn't really trust going on days on end. This totally alleviates the knee pain. So now, of course, my right foot hurts, like a lot. And so I'm trying to shorten my rides. And on Wednesday, day after tomorrow, I'll have a rest day for sure, maybe a few more. So that's a bit of a bummer. Apart from that, I really can't complain. The weather's been fantastic. The ride's been superb. Yeah, everything actually was great. But this is the worry. So we'll see how it plays out. And so for now, I'll just have to get a move on, and I'll talk to you later. All right, allons-y. This is this morning's landscape. I do expect quite a bit of climbing today though, about 1,000 meters. We'll see how it goes later. Tough little climb, but stunning landscapes once again, so not complaining. Look, well, it looked like it has had better days, but there's actually a sign over there saying that you have to wear a mask. So relatively recently somebody was here. Well, for the life of me, I can't figure out what the use would be. But so it's a nice little downhill, and then hopefully try to find some lunch. But it's going to be difficult again. Anyways, we'll move on. On y va. I'm gonna go for a splash. That little fountain over there did wonders for me. Really needed a bit of cool. It's funny how you heat up without hardly noticing it, and I feel much better now. So it's 12k to the next village. I will be too late for lunch, but maybe I can find a boulangerie or something to eat. So, well, fingers crossed. Talk to you later. Well, I didn't know they made cider here in this region as well. I know they make it in the West Country, but apparently here in the center north of France as well. Well, can't really try it out, unfortunately, but oh, that would be nice. Oh. $30 degrees now, bloody hot, not used to that. Well, these seem like a merry bunch. And plenty of sunshine today. 30 degrees. Oof. Hot. But 10k away from a cold beer. Oh, that would be nice. $31 degrees, 6 September. Ooh, hot.
Il a refermé la porte doucement pour pas réveiller maman. Il a acheté une main sur le canapé près du chat. S'est assis dans un coin, la tête dans ses mains. 50 balais, c'est pas vieux. Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire de son bleu, de sa gamelle, de sa gapette?
Well, that was yet another great ride today. The countryside was nice, but not as beautiful as yesterday's. But nonetheless, great ride. Behind me you see, I think, Cathedral Auxerre, where I've just arrived. Now I'm waiting for my host to open the door to the apartment that I've rented. It's relatively early, 4 o'clock, which gives me the opportunity to explore the city, and I don't know, I'm just torn between gin tonic and a Chablis right now. Probably both, and a beer. Why not? It is bloody 32 degrees in September, and that's hot for me, but I won't complain. I know Auxerre already a little bit. It's a nice city, so lovely to be back here. And alright, that's it for me. So enjoy your ride and stay safe out there, and see you later. Au revoir.
C'est toute sa vie qui était dans sa musette. Il revoit toutes ces années au chagrin et tout le cambouis sur ses mains. Il repense à son gars qui voulait faire péter tout ça. Ça a pété sans lui, sans douleur et sans cri. Où c'est que t'as vu, bon Dieu? Qu'est-ce qu'il va faire de son bleu, de ses bras de travailleur? C'est toute sa vie.
A telephone box. Wow. With already. So we've got a working relationship with Redditch. Cool.
Les cheveux, qu'est-ce qu'il va faire de son bleu, son drapeau rouge, de son Lénine, c'est toute sa vie.
Oh, that's a big cathedral. Wonder what the other one is then. Bonjour.
Réveiller maman, peut-être lui dire toujours pas de lettres. Il reviendra, pense à nous, t'en fais pas là-bas, dans la guérilla, Nicaragua. Merde aux hommes et merde à Dieu. Dit en raccrochant son bleu, mon enfant a compris mieux que moi le bonheur de faire péter tout ça.